Hey everyone, welcome back to another Naruto collectible card game unboxing. So for this video I'm going to be opening up two Naruto starter decks. I have the black and blue set 1 and 2 Naruto and Gaara themed decks. I also have the silver and red Naruto and Gaara themed decks, but I'm not going to open up those today. I'm just going to focus on the black deck and the blue one. Both set of decks have the same cards in them, minus a packet of 10 cards that are unique to that box. So let's get into it and open up the two decks. So I have the Naruto theme deck open. Right off the bat, we have the game mat, which has Naruto and the Hokage rocks. In the deck also came a coin with Naruto on it. And then we have the turn markers. And the set of 50 cards and set of 10 cards. So let's take a closer look at the packet of 10 cards that came in this deck. Alright. So starting off, we're going to have the Gift of Perseverance. 2 of those. Next we have Unhealed Wound. Stay Out of This. Jutsu, we have 8 trigram Divination Seal Spell Formula. And Paper Bomb. And those are the 10 cards in the side packet that comes with the deck. So let's take a closer look at the 50 cards in this deck. Starting off, we have Naruto Uzumaki Barrage. It is the starting deck super rare, signified by the 3 white dots at the bottom. Holographic back and gold foil name. Very nice. Next card is going to be Kurenai. We have Might Guy, Sasuke Uchiha, Tamari. It looks like, yeah, she's got foil on her name. That's interesting. That's a rare card with the 2 dots. Naruto Uzumaki, another rare foil name. We have Kiba, Hinata, Rock Lee, also gold foil in his name. Radio, Hayate Gecko, foil rare. Gamma, Kakashi Hatake, foil rare. Akamaru, Naruto Uzumaki, Sakura, Haruno, Asuma Saratobi. For the jutsus, we have Harem Jutsu, Fire Style Phoenix Flower Jutsu, another rare foiled name. That's pretty nice. We have Lightning Blade, Sexy Jutsu, foil name as well. 1,000 Years of Death, an Outcast's Dream for the missions, Battle of Clones, Intervention, Wish, 4-man squad, and lastly 2 clients, Kajai. Take a closer look at the rare foils in this deck. We had Kakashi, Hayate, Rock Lee, Naruto, and Tamari. And then the Jutsu 2 rares, we had Fire Style Phoenix Flower Jutsu and Sexy Jutsu. And then the super rare was the Naruto Uzumaki Barrage. It's very cool. In all of the other starter decks that I've opened up, they didn't have numerous gold foil rares in the deck, so that's a pretty cool thing they did for the for this deck. Next we have the Gaara deck. Starting off, we have the Gaara playmat with the cover art Gaara in the Sand Village. We have the coin with Gaara's face on it, and then same churn markers and game manual as the Naruto themed one. Let's take a closer look at the cards. I'll start off with the 10 card side packet. These are always a little tricky to open up. Alright. So the first one is going to be a mission Retaliation. We have Sakura Hano. Then we have Dreadful Scars. Ninja poem titled Ninja Opportunity. And the last is Pass Permanent for the main 50. First card is Gaara of the Desert. It is the starter deck, super rare, gold foil. There's the effects, hand cost, healthy, injured status, and the 3 dots signifying the rarity. Nice. Next we have Haku, then Zabuza Momochi, Shino Aburami, Kurenai, Sakura Haruno, Shiguri, Ino Yamanaka, Shikumaru Nara, Choji Akamichi, Yoroi, Tamari, Sasuke Uchiha, Gaara of the Desert, Baki, and that's a foil rare. For the jutsus, we have Sand Coffin, Sand Armor, Sand Burial, which is another foil rare, Wind Blade, One Morning, another foil rare, 3 of those. After the Battle is also going to be a foil rare. We have Retaliation, Temptation of Power, Disarmament, or Disarrayment, sorry. And then the client is going to be Lord of the Land of Wind. So there you have it. Those are the 50 cards you will find in a Naruto and Gaara themed deck for set 3, Curse of the Sand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, keep looking out for more videos. I have a lot more unboxing and openings to do. And as always, have a good day and stay safe.